back from the beach, and well, it was something. On the upside, we got a ton of cool looking shells. You see? Right here. Also, we have my sister who's being sad.
I'm not sad. If I'm in the camera, I'm gonna kick you.
And we got my mom, who's right here. Say hi.
Hello.
And my dad has gone out to to grab the car. But anyways, so I just had an idea for a fakemon. More specifically, a regional variant for my Chimera region. So, I bet you wonder what it is. Seagull. I mean, come on, we already got Paliper. But what about a regional variant? That's where the idea came to mind.